Hi, I'm Chip Wade, structural engineer and carpenter on a popular home improvement show. Today, I want to give you the lowdown on electrical testers. Now, you already know that before you start working on an electrical circuit, you want to make sure everything's turned off to make sure it's not live. But be honest, sometimes you just don't. You're in a hurry, it's a job you've done a million times, and you're pretty sure it's not hot because, I don't know, it wasn't hot before you left for lunch. But we both know it only takes one mistake and you're in the ER telling the doctor, I'm pretty sure the circuit was dead. Even 110 can kill. I'm not going to let a rookie mistake ruin my wife's day. Know what's hot and what's not, and don't touch it till you test it. Let's start where you probably started. No, you don't have to go get me a cup of coffee. I'm talking about a simple voltage tester. The Fluke Volt Alert. This is the tool you should always have in your pocket. It's small, it's inexpensive, and nothing could be easier. Just touch the tip to a terminal strip, outlet, or cord. When the tip glows red, you know there's voltage in the line. It's reliable enough for electricians, but simple enough for do-it-yourselfers. It's a must-have first-line tool. A lot of people die every year simply because they thought a circuit was dead. Stay safe, stay alive, and don't touch it till you test it. Now let's say you already have a Volt Alert in your pocket, but you're looking for something with a little more functionality. The T+Pro is your tool. If you work around older electricians, you're probably thinking solenoid tester. This was the go-to tool back in the day, mostly because it was relatively cheap, but they have some serious drawbacks. First, if the voltage dropped below about 70 to 90 volts, some solenoid testers won't indicate voltage, and the units with indicator lights stop lighting up at about 30 volts. This level of voltage might not send you into heart failure, but it's a nasty enough jolt that could send you off a ladder or make you back up into something dangerous. Plus, they just don't last. If you can't read the voltage indicator and the solenoid is so weak it barely vibrates, then what good is it? And in case all that's not enough to turn you away, solenoid testers, especially the old ones, have a habit of blowing up in your hands. That's why I don't use one, and I don't let the people who work with me use one. I recommend the Fluke T+Pro. It vibrates and lights up just like a solenoid, plus it has an audible alert. But it's way more accurate. It measures down to 10 volts, and it's sensitive enough to detect ghost voltage. With the T+Pro, you can test voltage and get a number you can believe. But you can also test continuity, resistance. It even has a built-in GFCI tester. This solenoid tester is just a magnet on a spring. The T+Pro is a real tool engineered by Fluke to make your job easier and safer. The T+Pro is fused for transient protection and it's NFPA 70E compliant. If you think all this has just priced you out of the market, you're wrong. This tool sells for well under $100. When you take one on a job site, you better watch it because tools this cool have a tendency to walk off on you. Now, when you need to step up to the next level, you'll want to check out the T5-1000. It's a voltage, continuity, and current tester. You just select volts, ohms, or amps, and let the tool do the rest. Check this out. The forked end is great for tight spots, so it's easy to slip in a wire. With this tool, you can easily check the current up to 100 amps without breaking the circuit. This is the tool I see all the electricians I work with carry. They love the versatility and ease of use. That'll save time and effort. Whatever testing you need to do, in whatever environment, Fluke has a tool for you, with accuracy, safety, and reliability that can't be beat, not to mention the ruggedness you expect from Fluke. With tools like these, there's just no reason to take chances. Fluke is invested in your safety. Shouldn't you be? For Fluke, I'm Chip Wade. Thanks for watching.